Welcome to Underground Crypto.
Hey, it's the Underground Crypto back at it again. I know a few folks may be impatient, seeing the monster gains, all-time highs for old grandpa, Bitcoin, Master ETH, and Stellar Xlm, the sleeping giant, still holding at 48 cents. But you have to hodl. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, for entertainment purposes only. Because big things for Stellar, the sleeping giant, and other altcoins are on the horizon. Now, if we look at the crypto market cap, 1.56 trillion. This continues to go up and up. What we're seeing is FOMO. FOMO is happening all around. The market cap's increasing, all-time highs for old grandpa, Master ETH, Cardano pushing for $1. And we see Stellar, the sleeping giant, down 2%. You may say, hey, should I cash in my Xlm lumens be booming bag and get some of those other rising coins? Hodl! Hold on for dear life, because the explosion will be incoming. And if we also look at why there's an increase in crypto, there's potentially one reason, and this was brought up in the stock market group that I'm a part of, where it was mentioned that the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield is increasing. It's pushing close to 1.3%. And what this indicates is a rising yield indicates falling demand for Treasury bonds, and that means investors prefer higher risk, higher reward investment. And that's what we're seeing. This is what the crypto market cap is. It's the wild, wild west, nothing riskier. And we can see the Dow Jones, S&P 500, NASDAQ, all down. And there may be other reasons as well, but we can see the money is moving. The money is moving to crypto. But with these gains from others, the other coins we see here, that's why it's important, and I've brought this up before, it's important to diversify. You diversify, and you have 3 revenue streams, potentially more, but I'm only showing 3 here. And I've been spending some time on the automation piece of it, residual income. So right now, you can get residual income from different projects. Use the residual income to purchase Cardano, Master ETH, old Bitcoin if you want, and fill up your hodl bag. Because the hodl bag long term will be what really gets you the monster gains. Become the new 1%. Xlm millionaires. Crypto millionaires. So you definitely want to set up something like this. And if you're interested in learning about automation, leave a comment. So if we look at the 5 reasons of an explosion, and we can see in the weekly period for Xlm, we are 9% up. We were at 60 cents, and right now we have support at the 48-49 cents level. So we are looking to rebound, get back to the 60 cents, and push towards the 75 cents. And how we're going to do that is with these 5 reasons. And the key thing here is we need the market cap to continue to increase. We did see the market cap was at 11 billion. So for that to increase, we need these 5 reasons why to continue to move forward. And we're going to talk on 4, 2, and 1 today. So we're going to start with number 4. SDF product roadmap for Stellar new partnerships and investments, and companies utilizing the Stellar network. That has to continue. And we have news, breaking news. here, Bermuda to pilot digital dollar for rum sales. So this is an interesting one here. So in this article from CoinDesk.com, in Bermuda, you may soon be able to use digital dollars to buy rum. Canadian fintech firm Badali announced Thursday that with the support of the Bermuda government, it has launched a pilot to test a digital Bermuda dollar. Under the pilot program, popular local rum company Goslings Limited will be accepting digital Bermuda dollars through the Stellar network. In other words, people will be able to buy rum with digital dollars. So we can see here that the utilization of the Stellar network continues. We continue to provide updates and news on more companies, governments, countries utilizing the Stellar network. So that's going to continue to push the usage of lumens. And now if we go to number 2, and Coinbase has filed their IPO. Right now we're hearing that Coinbase is potentially worth $77 billion. So when that does finally launch, that's going to bring FOMO into that stock, and also a lot of the stock market investors, they're going to say, hey, if Coinbase is here making a lot of noise, what are the different types of coins that are going on in that exchange? They probably know about old grandpa, Bitcoin, but then they'll see the others, and more FOMO will continue. So that's number 2. Number 1, we have news on this. So number 1 was BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and others coming into the crypto space spending billions. And we have news here from the Motley Fool. So the Motley Fool is a service that provides investors information on how to purchase stocks, what are the hot stocks to hold long term and make a lot of money from that. So the Motley Fool, they announced yesterday, since we're focused on the long-term opportunity, we don't worry much about the volatility in the short term. We plan to hold this Bitcoin investment for many years, and we will wait for all of our members in our 10x service to be able to buy before we do. And the news, what they're talking about here is they're buying $5 million in Bitcoin on their balance sheet. So that's the big news there. So even though it's not an investment into Xlm, the money continues to flow into the crypto space. And that's just going to attract more and more people from the non-crypto world to FOMO. So this is great news here. And this is a big one. And if you think about if you're making money, let's go to this slide here. If you're doing day trade, swing trade with crypto, what you have to keep in mind is the gains may be very healthy, but depending on where you are, say if you are in the United States, Uncle Sam will be waiting for you. And before a year, the capital gains tax will be very hefty. And I had a video here, beware of Uncle Sam setting the trap. They are setting the trap. So with that information, what you could possibly do is utilize iTrust Capital. And iTrust Capital, I'm going to explain what iTrust Capital is. It's a crypto IRA 401k retirement account. So what you can do is, instead of cashing out to fiat, you can roll over your earnings into this crypto IRA. So that could be one possible solution to avoid Uncle Sam grabbing up your bag. He's going to say, hey, that's half my bag. Let it go. So exciting news here. This was announced a few hours ago. Stellar Xlm is now available in your crypto IRA 401k retirement account. And if we go more information on this here, we can see iTrust Capital is the leading digital asset IRA trading platform that allows clients to directly buy and trade cryptocurrencies and physical gold in real time through their retirement accounts. iTrust Capital's revolutionary IRS-compliant investment platform eliminates the costly inefficiencies and outdated processes of previous IRA models, opening the door for investors to safely and simply legally move money from their retirement accounts into the cryptocurrency and the physical gold markets at cost as much as 90% lower than other IRA companies. So this is great news here. So definitely check out iTrust Capital. And just to break down how it works, you complete the IRA application, you fund, you set up your trade in 5 minutes, and they securely lock up your cryptocurrency assets. So this is one option here. You can also take your cryptocurrency offline, but you're not really gaining interest on that. And you can see here, these are some of the cost is $29.95 a month. There you can see the fee is 1% trading fee. And you can see some of the cryptocurrencies they have here. A lot of big names. Old Grandpa, Litecoin, XRP, Polkadot. Polkadot was recently added as well. Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, the Sleeping Giant, and Physical Silver. So we are amongst some big names. So this is exciting news here. All right. So that's a wrap for today. And I don't think the last person that won the 100 XLM actually commented and got back to me. So either I'll be giving out the 100 XLM that was never picked up to another subscriber. So make sure to subscribe, comment, and like to be entered in the 100 XLM giveaway. So either I'll be giving that away in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or as part of the Underground Crypto website launch. All right, that's a wrap. Let me know if you are a hodler. Are you hodling or are you getting nervous? Ready to sell your bag for something else, for old Bitcoin? Or are you an XLM faithful? Holding on to that bag, taking it to the moon. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks a ton for watching. Stand clear of the closing doors. The next stop for Stellar is the moon. Let's get it.
We don't have that much competition. They would use Stellar to make their payments faster.